Hello, follow along as I show you exactly what to click when creating your TESDA account. Go to www.tesda.gov.ph. You can click TESDA Online Programs to start. You can create an account using either of the two options. You can see this page and then just follow along the mouse that I am clicking. And as you can see, you will be going to the next part. Fill up your personal details. Once you're done, you may try logging in your username and password and you will see again this page. Just follow along and then you will be in your TESDA online account. Yay! In my courses, you will see all the courses you already took. You can go to courses where you can choose which course you wanted to study online. For this example, I am searching bookkeeping. And good luck on studying. Enjoy!